Okay, just turned my house on to battery mode. I'm off grid, and this is the 16S BMS. Let's see here. There's my 16 cells. Here's the BMS. This is just temporary. Don't get freaked out by all the crazy wires. Brand new, this is 880 amp hours of batteries. I'm guessing 75%, so the 660 is what I've got it set to. So 48 amp or 48 volt setup, running through two nice happy little MPP solar 5048s. Running through a Frankenstein knife switch. Powering the house through a 240 volt NEMA 1450 outlet. The loads to the grid switched off at the main load panel. So in this mode, I've got AC coming out of the inverters, connected to the grid of my house. This one on the right goes to a little neat little job site box. You get 8 outlets, 20 amps each side. It's a 30 amp RV connector on the back side. And then if I want to, I've got my NEMA 1450 amp plug-in right there, going to a EVSE car charger. I'm not about to charge my car while running on the batteries, but when I've got that on grid, I just turn the inverters. Well, the inverters just turn themselves on as soon as they're connected to the grid, which turns on the charger. But the actual inverter, that button, you don't have to turn on. And if I turn that on, well, now I've got that outlet right there to use. So now I can charge my car through the grid power. So there's my little instructions when I want to go back to grid, when I want to run my house on the batteries. And just make sure Roscoe, he's got his ball. He needs to make sure everybody has a good day. Right, Roscoe? Yeah.